So we have this really unstable patient today. We have postponed all our elective surgeries, and only if it's somebody who's post surgery absolutely cannot be postponed. We put the patient on maximal medical therapy, and angioplasty was not possible. So we are going to do a bypass, and we are using this hazmat suit. Now, there was some concern that this is the N95 mask. It's supposed to be airtight, and with the beard, which I have a big beard here, we thought it won't be, but I tied my trademark cap very tightly, and let's see, does it work? It's supposed to collapse when I breathe forcefully, which shows that there is no air coming from the side. Let's see. Yes, so it looks good. Looks like Bane's, Batman Bane's mask. Okay, now this, I'm wearing scrubs, and then there is this hazmat suit, which is impervious. It's plasticky thing, very uncomfortable, very hard, but okay. This is what Neil Armstrong must have felt like. And we are going to be in theater for 6-7 hours, so it's going to be really hot. The suit is a bit short. It's meant for a pygmy, actually. Yeah. So anyway, I'll have to make do. Even the legs are short. When I wore this, then I realized that I needed to have a drink. So I then took everything off and had about half a liter of very cold lassi. And now I'm all set. See, all set to go. Now this foot is something not very good. If I let it go, it just comes like this. So maybe I'll fix it with some sticky tape. There. Johnson sticky tape. All hospitals, especially government hospitals, they cannot live without the sticky tape. Anything which is broken, you put sticky tape on it. And of course, I'll have to zip up completely. This is not right. Yeah, I think that's better. So I'll get my nurse to stick this on. Till I'm not scrubbed, I'll be like this. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. Bye.